Welcome to Next Level Facts. Today we're counting down the top 10 times nature almost destroyed humanity. Stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe. Over 74,000 years ago, the Toba Supervolcano in Indonesia erupted with a force 2,800 times greater than Mount St. Helens. It triggered a global volcanic winter and may have reduced the human population to just a few thousand survivors. It's the closest Earth has come to wiping us out completely. On December 26, 2004, a massive undersea earthquake triggered a tsunami that struck 14 countries. Waves up to 30 meters high killed over 230,000 people. Entire coastal communities were swept away in seconds. It remains one of the deadliest natural disasters in modern history. Between 1347 and 1351, the Black Death swept through Europe and Asia, killing an estimated 75 to 200 million people. It wiped out up to 60% of Europe's population. For years, cities were silent, streets empty, and entire villages vanished from the map. Mount Tambora exploded in 1815 in Indonesia, the most powerful volcanic eruption ever recorded. It caused a global drop in temperature, known as the year without a summer. Crops failed, famine spread, and tens of thousands died. Not from lava, but from starvation and cold. After a magnitude 9.1 earthquake, a massive tsunami struck Japan and caused the Fukushima nuclear plant to fail. Radiation leaked into the air and sea. Hundreds of thousands were evacuated. It was the worst nuclear disaster since Chernobyl, triggered entirely by nature. In 1908, a mysterious explosion flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest in Siberia. It was caused by a meteor exploding in the atmosphere with the force of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. Had it struck a populated area, it would have been catastrophic. A series of powerful earthquakes shook the central U.S. with such force that the Mississippi River flowed backward. Church bells rang in Boston over 1,000 miles away. If similar quakes hit today, the damage to modern infrastructure would be devastating. Hurricane Katrina struck the Gulf Coast with winds over 280 kilometers an hour. Levees failed, flooding 80% of New Orleans. Over 1,800 people died and damage exceeded $125 billion. It exposed how vulnerable even rich nations are to nature's fury. Years of drought and poor farming practices in the U.S. turned fertile land into a barren desert. Dust storms covered entire towns, causing respiratory illness and mass migration. It showed how human actions combined with nature can destroy entire regions. A massive solar flare struck Earth in 1859, disabling telegraph systems worldwide. If a similar solar storm hit today, it would destroy satellites, power grids, and global communication. We'd be sent back to the pre-electric age, instantly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Next Level Facts. See you in the next video.